Hi folks, I am Anthony. In volume 6 to 9 of this series, we discuss two answers to the question of whether we are alone in the universe. The first answer is, no, that's impossible, given the billions of galaxies. The second answer is, yes, there may be no other civilizations. Dr. Rainer Getter, the author of the science fiction novel The Magnetic Storm to be published in April, takes the systematic approach behind the first answer, statistics and probabilities. In order to achieve valid results, one must know the total population and its subsets. We know these approximately for our galaxy, but not for the entire universe. Therefore, the first answer is unfounded. The second answer argues with the framework conditions for life as we know it: structured galaxies, low high-energy radiation, stable orbits and axes of rotation. For the evolution of life, at least 1 to 2 billion years of stability. These are high thresholds. In his novel The Magnetic Storm, however, Dr. Getter leaves a small, albeit rather unusual window open to fundamental considerations. First, what means alone? When it comes to all possible forms of life, we now suspect that simple fauna and flora can also develop outside habitable zones, in the water layers beneath the ice shells of some moons of Jupiter and Saturn, for example. We have similar extremophile life on Earth. Furthermore, amino acids are not only found here. They are key ingredients for life. DNA is made of 20 varieties of them. Second, what does civilization mean? By this, we mean societies that produce and develop cultural and technical achievements, and that are willing to communicate our own image in a mirror, so to speak, albeit in a different form. The often mystical predator culture of the human species as a universal standard, or, with good-natured avatars, the opposite. Pretty crazy escapism, right? Thanks for watching so far. This series continues with more crazy stuff. Stay tuned.